Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is C'Aira. For those of you who are new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is in collaboration with Miss Amechi, formerly known as Wanda. We are hosting a back to school collab this week, and we have a playlist full of great people joining in. So be sure to check out the playlist after you check out this video. So I'm gonna get ready to go to Staples and go ahead and get this list done. The school that I work at and where Skylar goes to school at was nice enough to send out a list at the end of the school year on our last day. So I've had it all summer, but I wanted to wait closer towards time just to make sure that they didn't want to add anything and to make sure they don't need anything else. So let's just check out what she's gonna need for second grade. So for second grade, everyone needs 1 box of tissues, personal earphones or headphones, 24 count of Crayola crayons, Crayola markers, and a water bottle. Water bottle is already here. Earphones, headphones are already here. So we just need to grab markers, crayons, and a box of tissues. Now, if you can see, the rest of the list has more, but first and second grade do not need much, and really this kindergarten. All right, and then for Cameron, he is going to the 5th grade, which he is going to a different school this year, which is basically upper elementary school. So he needs a backpack, a pencil box that has pencils, name brand, colored pencils, markers, dry erase markers, glue sticks, scissors, 4 marble composition books. It does not say what color they have to be, and 4 folders with pockets and brads. He also could use tissues and disinfectant wipes. So I am gonna get him just mainly 1 of each color for these 2, and then we will find the rest of the stuff. So let's get ready to go to Staples. All right, so I'm finally in the car. Staples is about 6-minute driving distance from me. We have another one that you can go to. That one is roughly about 10 to 15 minutes away. So I'm gonna go to the one that's closest to me and get all the kids back to school shopping done. All right, so I'm here at Staples. We're gonna get ready to head inside and grab all of the supplies that we need. All right, so these are 79 cents. These are the 2 pocket holders with fasteners. I need 4 of those. So I'm gonna get blue, red, green, and yellow. So these have the fasteners inside and the 2 pocket folders. All right, so in here, let's see, 8 sticks is $2.99. So I guess I will get just 1. Doesn't tell me how many to get. All right, so the teachers want name brand pencils, so I'm gonna get Ticonderoga, if I'm even saying it right. All right, so for $4.49, we can get Expo marker. All right, Cam needs a pencil box, so I'm gonna get this blue one. It's only 99 cents. All right, so Sky needs some washable crayons. All right, Sky needs markers. All right, Cam needs washable markers. These ones are more. All right, so we end up spending $6 for just washable markers. Ridiculous. All right, so Cam needs colored pencils. These are $3. All right, so they got a scissors 2-pack. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab these. All right, so they both need disinfecting wipes. I'm just going to buy that big one. All right, and tissues are $6.49. I'm gonna go ahead and get that 3 bucks right there. All right, and composition notebooks are 50 cents each. All right, so we're back in the car. My subtotal was a total of $65 just to get the items that the kiddos needed for back to school. I was very shocked to see that the backpack that Cam picked up was $17. Not a bad price. All right, so let's start here with the fact that I picked up a 5-piece set Sonic backpack. that comes with the backpack, insulated lunchbox, a supply case, a clip, a keychain puller. So here are all the accessories on the front of the bag. Here's what the bag looks like. So that is Cam's backpack. His backpack was $17 from Staples. Skylar's was $15 from Walmart. So hers has a lunchbox, and then that is the backpack. I also picked up the 4 folders like I said I needed. These have the 2 pockets and the fasteners, so I just got 1 of each color. Also this year, I'm sure she will be packing lunch, quite a few, so we decided to get some reusable ice packs. This is a 2 count. I think this was like $3 or $4. And then I got the 4 marble composition books, are actually at $5. And then I got him a pencil pouch that has the Game Over on it. He also needed a 1-inch binder, so I got him red since that is his favorite color. We got some glue sticks, which he has 8. I got 2 different pairs of scissors, that way he can take one for school or take both and just give one to someone who actually needs it. And then we got the brand name pencils, so we got 18 of those and they're already sharpened, as well as some colored pencils. And it even came with a bonus sharpener. We got dry erase markers, washable markers, and then just a regular set of markers. I also got the disinfectant wipes. This is a 3 count. So I will just send 1 with each child, and then just keep 1 in case I need to send more in. But I will be buying more of these. Also, the 24 count of crayons. And then I got each kid a box or a bundle of tissues. So this is a 3-pack. So I'm going to send 1 with 1 and 1 with the other child. So this is everything that we needed for back to school, and that's it. So I hope that you guys check out the playlist linked in the description box down below. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss out on the next one.